Good afternoon, friends. Yesterday we spoke something about obesity, and let's speak something more about obesity. We all know it's a chronic relapsing condition. It has nothing to do with your willpower. It has something more to do with your genetic makeup and your environment. So, yesterday we told about all these things. Let's stop blaming yourself, seek a medical advice. Now, what do you need to know, and what all medical advices are given to the obese people and the rest of the society as a whole? So, first and foremost, very important thing is that eating smart, not less. I told you that crash diets will not go a long way. Rather, our smart choices of food will go a long way. Eating smart, having a mindful eating, having a good portion control, avoiding the ultra processed foods will really help you a lot. Then you need to know the risks associated with obesity. We all know that there are a lot of metabolic disorders constituting a metabolic syndrome, which are all associated with obesity, like your hypertension, diabetes, your fatty liver, your cardiac ailments. So all these are associated with obesity. For that, you need to do a routine checkup. So routine checkup and routinely meeting your doctor is a very important thing. Today's talk has, this is the gist of the talk is that you need to see your doctor at least every 3 months, in spite of the fact that you are taking GLP-1s or whatever way you are trying to lose your weight. Get a hand holding with your doctor. Keep meeting your doctor. Keep taking their advices and then move ahead, because it is a relapsing condition. You need a regular follow-up. You need a regular motivation to keep going. Attaining a healthy weight or reducing a weight is not just a quick fix. It's a journey. So for moving in a journey, you need help of your doctor. So try taking the help of your doctor. Getting your routine health checkups is very important, so that we come to know what are the risks are coming in your body, what all issues are coming in your body, and they can be managed early in the course of life. And understanding the fact that it is a journey, it is not a quick fix. Getting back to your 10 kgs low or 20 kgs low is not a quick fix. एक दिन में नहीं होने वाला, ना ही एक महीने में होने वाला है, और वापस आ जाने वाला है, क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी को आपका एक वेट पता है. It will tend to get back to the same place. Your hormones, your genetic makeup has a lot to do with that. आप उसमें हार जाते हो, तो उसके लिए आपको अपने डॉक्टर की ज़रूरत है. जो लोग भी GLP-1s पर हैं या लाइफस्टाइल पर हैं और दे आर ट्राइंग टू लूज वेट, प्लीज गेट इन टच विद योर डॉक्टर एंड टेक देयर एडवाइस फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम, सो दैट यू रीच योर गोल. हर दिन छोटी चेंजेस करनी. यू नीड टू मेक चेंजेस, स्मॉलर चेंजेस ईच डे. एक दिन में सब कुछ नहीं चेंज कर पाओगे. अपनी जो थाली है ना, उसको थोड़ा हर दिन चेंज करो, नॉट इन अ सिंगल डे. So these were important points which I wanted to tell you today. It is not a quick fix. It is a journey. Keep in track with your doctor. Keep following up with your